Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to set up the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let me open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down in order to find and select security and location. Now let's choose the fingerprint right here. Here you've got the instructions, tap next, and before you add your fingerprint you need to choose some backup methods. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. So you can also secure your startup, but in my case let me choose no. Let's use your fingerprint, let's use your pattern, sorry. In my case it could be the following one, tap next. Let's input the pattern again just for confirmation. Now you have to choose the form of notifications. You can select show all notification content, you may hide the sensitive one, or you can don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all of the notification content, tap done. Here you need to save your fingerprint, so let me do it. The sensor is located right here at the back of the device. Let's just tap the sensor a couple of times to save the whole fingerprint. Let's just smoothly touch your sensor to save the whole finger. Alright, fingerprint added. Now you need to tap done, or you can add also another one if you would like to. And now all you need to do is just press the power key. Let me check out if my fingerprint protection works. Now you can unlock your phone by using the pattern, or you may do the same thing by using your fingerprint protection. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.